Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned.
DIY number 1, and we're gonna take this frame that I had from a canvas that I already made, but you can use a frame from a canvas. And now I'm gonna take some of this poster board, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this poster board as the canvas. But if you're using a new canvas, you can use the canvas on the back of the frame. Now what I'm doing is I'm just cutting my poster board like this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip over my sign. This is the sign that I'm gonna use, and I made this one on my Cricut. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to this sign so you can make your own. And what I'm doing is I'm just gonna attach this sign to my poster board, and for that I'm using my transfer tape and I'm just measuring it so then I can cut the piece of transfer tape that I need so I can transfer this sign to the poster board and then attach my frame to the sign. Now I'm just adding my transfer tape to the sign like this, making sure I have at least a couple of bubbles because we're not gonna get this completely flat. So we're gonna have bubbles, but I'm trying just to make sure that I don't have them. Now I'm just going to the back part, and now as you can see, I'm always having transfer tape issues. So I'm just making sure that all my letters are transferred to my transfer tape, and now I have it over here, and I'm gonna add it to the poster board like this, just making sure I have it where I want it. And then I'm just gonna make sure that it is all stuck to my poster board so I can remove my transfer tape. And for that, what I'm doing is I'm just going all around like this, making sure that those letters are stuck to the poster board or sign. And then I'm gonna remove that transfer tape just like this, and I'm gonna remove it, and we have a beautiful sign. But I want to make sure that this E is looking cuter because I don't like how it transferred to the poster board. Now that I have it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip over my sign or my frame, and I'm gonna attach the sign to the back of the frame like you would do with any canvas that you have and you're making a reverse canvas method. Now I'm gonna take my stapler or stapling gun and I'm just gonna staple this to the back like that. I'm just making sure that it is centered and it is where it belongs. And now I'm gonna continue stapling like this, and after that I'm gonna go all around it like that. And when I have all of that secure and stapled, we have a beautiful sign. Let me just finish with this, and I'm gonna flip it over so you can see it. And here you can see it, and it is looking so beautiful. But we need to add a little bit something extra, and I'm gonna use this from Walmart. This is a garland that Walmart sells, but you can use anything from Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna attach it to the back like that, and we will have a beautiful sign. I will show this one in the end of the video.
If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media so you can go and check me out over there so we can be friends and have lots of fun.
DIY number 2, and for this one, I'm gonna take my Hiipoo waterslide decal paper, and I'm gonna make beautiful canisters for my kitchen because this is a kitchen decor. And what I'm doing is I'm just cutting them to size, and I'm gonna make one for chocolate, one for granola, and other one for nuts. You will find the link so you can find the Hiipoo waterslide decal paper on my description box down below in my Amazon front store. Now what I'm doing is I'm just getting them wet, and I'm gonna wait 10 seconds for this. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the lid of my canister, and after I do that, I'm gonna start adding my label like this, and I'm gonna do the same to the granola image that I have. And that's it for this one. I'm gonna dry the top like that and let it dry for a couple of hours, And after I let this dry for a couple of hours, we will have a beautiful canister set. And when I finish with that, and it is really dry, as you can see, I'm drying it, as I'm still drying it. And when I finish with that, I'm gonna put all of them on top of this beautiful tray that I will show you. And I found it at the dollar store. You can get one from Dollar Tree and put your canisters over there.
If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel.
Now for the kitchen tour, and this is the beautiful lemon wall art that I made, and this is the first thing you see when you get into my kitchen. Then if you look to the other side, you will find this beautiful arrangement and all of my fall sweets or treats. And these are them, or those are them. You can see them here on the top of my stove, and you can see that I have all of them together, and I added some lemons and my limoncello bottle over here, and that one I also made. And in the link to the playlist of the farmhouse lemons, you will find all of the DIYs that you can see here. There you can see the canisters over there. Here is the beautiful cutting board that we made on the last video. And we also have a gnome, and I have my paper towel holder over there, and you can see the lemon wedge that I made and the beautiful tray that I made. And over here I have this beautiful lemon topiary that I made last year, and I just love it. As you can see, all of my decor are DIYs. Here you can see it, and it is looking beautiful. Now continuing on our tour, let me just show you the beautiful tray that I made, and that's a lemon slice. And we're gonna move on to my tier tray and my microwave. And here you can see the tier tray. As you can see, my son has been playing around with the things that are there. But it is still looking cute. And you can see that I added a couple more things. It's a little bit more fuller because I added those signs. And here is the top part, and you can see those beautiful signs that I added. And now moving on to the top of the microwave, and over there I have this beautiful lemon tray or basket. And in the back I have, that's boxwood. And over here on the top of the cabinets, I have a garland, my lemon mugs, and my son was playing with that, and a sign that says lemonade. Here on the window, you can see that I have my sign, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And moving on to the side, here you can see the beautiful sign that we just made. And this is the wall on the other side. And this one is looking so beautiful, but I want to know what you think, so let me know in the comments below. Now, moving on, we're going to move on from that to the door, and this one gets you to the laundry. And here I have my lemon slice that I made last year, and this one is one of my favorites. She's so cute. Now, we're going to go back to the beginning, and we will see the beautiful wall art that we made. And those are the lemon slices over here. Remember, let me know in the comments below what you think about the 2 DIYs and my lemon explosion kitchen.
And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Remember to share this video with a friend because that really helps to support my channel. And also hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, so you can keep an eye out on everything that I will be posting. Let me know what you think about this ones in the comments below. And that's it. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.